Wi-Fi is connected to the device, can't provide internet on iPhone. If your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi but has no internet access, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy fixes to get your internet working again, so let's get started. First, check if other devices connected to the same Wi-Fi are working. If they don't have internet either, the problem might be with your router or ISP. Now, just go to settings, tap on your Wi-Fi. Just tap on your Wi-Fi network and simply tap on forget this network. Then reconnect by entering your password. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Turn off your Wi-Fi router for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Also, restart your iPhone. If you have VPN enabled, it could be blocking your internet. Just go to settings and simply find VPN. Search for VPN, and if VPN is on, simply turn it off. If nothing has worked so far, resetting your network settings might help. Just go back to settings and go back to general. From there, scroll down until you find an option that says transfer or reset. Now simply tap on reset and simply tap on reset network settings. This won't delete the data, but you'll have to reconnect to Wi-Fi. If the issue persists, your internet provider may be experiencing problems. Contact them to check for any outages or restrictions. And that's it. This step should fix your Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone.